Hey, good morning, everyone. So today our topic is about how to access the database using WAM server. Okay, so the most important thing is we should have to know about how to run the WAM server. So WAM server is important when it comes to managing the database. So the first thing to do is to browse the WAM server. Okay, so as you have seen, I'm clicking about the WAMP icon on the taskbar. So right after that, so I click the MySQL console. Okay, so the purpose of clicking MySQL console, so this is one of the interface if we are trying to connect to the MySQL server. So the first thing asked is about enter the password. So since I have configured the WAM server with no password, so all we have to do is to click enter. Then in this tutorial, so uh, it is also important that we should have to know about the SQL statement when it comes to accessing the database. Okay, so after that is the first statement that we have to type in the command line interface is show databases. Show databases. Then enter. So right after the statement show databases, then click enter is it shows about different types of databases. Okay, so first I want to connect to the POS cells, okay, in POS server, so connect. So the keyword here is connect, then database name, which is the POS sales, okay, then enter. Then if the database is already accessed, then there is what we call connection ID, no? Right at this moment, so we have a connection ID 5, so which means we are trying to connect to the POS cells. Okay, next is to show tables. So the purpose of showing tables is to show what are the tables under the database name. Okay, so for example, so I connect, I would like to show what are the variables being used in database under table orders. So dest orders. So orders, which means this orders, which means to describe, no, a description of the tables, what are the variables being used. Then click enter. Okay, so the variables being used in table orders is ID name, email, business name, message, date created. Okay, so what we are going to do is to display the users or orders or the information inside the orders table. So all we have to do is to select asterisk from orders, then enter. So if there is an information under orders table, so the information is displayed. Then click enter. Okay, so there is what we call uh there's a, what we call sample, no? Sample informations being displayed, no? How about the users, no? So that is why, yeah, accessing the database is very important, no? It is our way on how to this method is the only way to access, no, the database through the use of MySQL command prompt. Okay, this tutorial is about to address how to access directly to the database by the use of MySQL. So that's all for this morning. So thank you so much for watching the video.